It's easy to keep your phone up to date with the latest features and security enhancements. We'll walk you through how to update your device wirelessly. Before starting, back up your phone, connect it to power, and connect it to the internet. To check for an update, go to Settings and swipe to the System Update and tap it. Tap Download, Install. After the download is completed, it will be automatically installed in the background. If you want to wait until later, tap Restart Overnight and your phone will restart overnight. Tap Restart Now, the phone will restart right away.